The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is shaping up to be one of the most highly anticipated releases in the photography world. For years, Fujifilm has carved out a loyal community of photographers who appreciate its unique balance of retro styling and cutting-edge digital technology. The XPro series, in particular, has stood apart as a symbol of Fujifilm's design philosophy, melding analog charm with modern performance. As whispers and rumors about the XPro4 continue to build, expectations are sky-high. This isn't just another camera update. It represents the continuation of a lineage that has played a pivotal role in redefining Fujifilm's identity in the mirrorless era. For many fans, the XPro4 carries not only the promise of technical upgrades, but also the weight of legacy. It must deliver on the artistic spirit that the series has always embodied while offering improvements worthy of 2025's fast-paced photography landscape. With rumors pointing to a new sensor, enhanced viewfinder technology, in-body stabilization, and smarter autofocus, the XPro4 could become one of the most significant cameras in Fujifilm's modern history. To understand why the XPro4 is so anticipated, it's worth looking at where it all began. The original Fujifilm X-Pro1, released in 2012, was a landmark product. At the time, Fujifilm's presence in the digital camera market was modest, and there was uncertainty about whether the company could compete against giants like Canon, Nikon, and Sony. Yet the X-Pro1 changed everything. It introduced the world to the first X-trans sensor, a unique approach to image capture that departed from the standard Bayer pattern and offered superior detail and reduced MOA without the need for an optical low-pass filter. More importantly, the X-Pro1 was the company's first interchangeable lens mirrorless camera, and it set the foundation for what would eventually become the acclaimed X-series system. The success of the X-Pro1 cannot be overstated. Had it failed, Fujifilm's mirrorless ambitions might have ended before they truly began. Instead, the XPro1 captured the imagination of photographers worldwide. Its design, blending classic rangefinder styling with forward-looking technology, was a breath of fresh air in a market filled with DSLR clones. This success gave Fujifilm the confidence to expand, eventually leading to the creation of both the X and GFX systems, which today are respected by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Looking at Fujifilm's release history gives us a sense of what might happen with the XPro4. After the debut of the XPro1 in early 2012, it took 4 years before the XPro2 arrived in 2016. That model refined the formula with a new sensor, better performance, and an even stronger identity within Fujifilm's lineup. 3 years later, in late 2019, the XPro3 was released, continuing the tradition of innovation but also sparking debate with its unusual hidden LCD screen design. If Fujifilm had stuck to this pattern, the XPro4 should have appeared around late 2023 or early 2024. However, that window has passed without an official announcement. This has led to speculation within the photography community. Some believe Fujifilm intentionally delayed the release to ensure that the next model would represent a true leap forward rather than a modest refresh. Others suggest that the company might even skip the number 4 entirely, given that in Japanese culture the number is often considered unlucky. If that's the case, the next model could debut as the Fujifilm X-Pro5, possibly in 2025. Regardless of the name, fans remain confident that a successor is coming, and the latest leaks suggest it will be worth the wait. One of the biggest rumored upgrades for the Fujifilm X-Pro4 is its sensor. Reports suggest that it will feature the 40.2-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, the same one found in Fujifilm's flagship APS-C models like the X-T5 and X-H2. This is a huge leap from the 26-megapixel sensor in the XPro3, offering significantly greater resolution and detail. For photographers, this means larger print sizes, more flexibility for cropping, and overall sharper image quality. Combined with the company's color science, which is widely celebrated for producing film-like tones straight out of camera, the XPro4 could become a dream tool for both professionals and enthusiasts who want maximum image quality without moving to a bulkier full-frame system. Backing this sensor will likely be the X-Processor 5, Fujifilm's latest and most advanced image engine. This processor has already proven itself capable of delivering faster performance, superior autofocus, and much improved noise handling in low-light situations. Together, the new sensor and processor could transform the XPro4 into one of the most capable APS-C cameras ever built. Another exciting rumor is that the XPro4 will finally include an body image stabilization IBIS. This would mark the first time the feature appears in the XPro series, and it could be a game-changer, especially for street, travel, and documentary photographers. IBIS allows photographers to shoot handheld at slower shutter speeds without introducing blur from camera shake. This not only improves low-light performance, but also enhances the ability to capture sharp images in fast-moving or unpredictable environments. For those who prefer prime lenses without built-in stabilization, a common choice among Fujifilm shooters, the addition of IBIS would be particularly valuable. The hybrid optical/electronic viewfinder has always been the hallmark of the XPro series. It's what sets these cameras apart from nearly every other mirrorless model on the market. With the XPro4, Fujifilm is rumored to be introducing its most advanced version yet. The electronic viewfinder EVF is expected to feature a 5.76 million OLED panel, offering sharper, clearer, and more detailed visuals than ever before. Meanwhile, the optical viewfinder OVF is rumored to gain more accurate frame lines and improved overlays for composition, making it easier to anticipate the final shot while still experiencing the clarity of an optical view. This dual system gives photographers a choice: the immediacy and purity of an OVF or the precision and information-rich experience of an EVF. For many shooters, this flexibility is a defining reason why they choose the XPro series over competitors. One of the most controversial design choices in the XPro3 was its hidden LCD screen. While some appreciated the nod to a pure, viewfinder-first shooting style, others found it impractical for modern workflows. According to leaks, the XPro4 may move away from this concept and return to a more traditional fixed or tilting LCD that is always visible. This change would likely be welcomed by the majority of users, as it allows quick access to menus, image review, and touch controls without the added friction of unfolding a hidden display. By striking a balance between retro styling and usability, Fujifilm could make the XPro4 far more approachable for a wider audience. While the XPro line has always prioritized still photography, video capabilities are becoming increasingly important in modern cameras. Rumors suggest the XPro4 will support 6.2K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K/2K options for flexibility. This would bring it closer to the performance of models like the X-T5, making it a viable hybrid tool for those who want both high-quality stills and video in a compact, stylish body. Improved autofocus, likely powered by the new processor, could also play a major role here, enabling smoother tracking for subjects in motion, whether for street shooting or casual filmmaking. The longer-than-expected wait for the XPro4 has puzzled many, but it may actually work in Fujifilm's favor. Instead of rushing an incremental update, the company appears to be working on a camera that genuinely pushes the series forward. The XPro has always represented the heart of Fujifilm's design philosophy, and a lackluster update could risk damaging its reputation. By taking more time, Fujifilm is likely ensuring that the XPro4 is more than just a new model, it's a statement. A camera that respects its heritage while proving that Fujifilm remains a serious innovator in the mirrorless space. The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is more than just another camera. It's the continuation of a legacy that began over a decade ago with the groundbreaking XPro1. From its rumored high-resolution X-Trans sensor and in-body stabilization to its refined hybrid viewfinder and practical LCD design, the XPro4 promises to be the most significant leap in the series yet. Whether it launches as the XPro4 or the XPro5, one thing is clear: Fujifilm is preparing to deliver a camera that blends analog charm with the advanced technology photographers demand in 2025. For fans of the brand, and for anyone who values a camera that's as much about the shooting experience as the final image, the wait may finally be worth it.